Meaning of eternally.
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 Eternally. Eternally refers to something that lasts forever or remains without end. It describes a state of being that has no beginning or end, and is therefore infinite. The concept of eternity is often associated with religious beliefs, as many faiths emphasize the idea of an eternal afterlife or presence of a deity. In practical terms, the idea of something being eternal is often beyond human comprehension, as we are limited by our finite lifespan. However, the concept of eternity can be comforting, as it suggests permanence and continuity in an ever-changing world.